Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use affix tomes in Minecraft. Affix tomes are incredibly useful tools that let you customize your gear with powerful bonuses. Think of them as a way to move special enchantments, known as affixes, from one item to another. You'll typically discover these valuable tomes by exploring mysterious wizard towers, defeating unique monsters, or uncovering hidden treasures in chests throughout your world. They are essential for optimizing your equipment. Extracting and applying affixes is a straightforward process using an anvil. First, to take an affix off a piece of gear, simply place that item and a corresponding affix tome into an anvil. Be aware that the original item will be destroyed, but its affix will be safely stored in your tome. Then, to apply that affix to new equipment, just combine the filled tome with your chosen gear in the anvil. Each of these actions will cost you some experience levels. Affixes aren't all created equal. They come in several rarity tiers which dictate their power. You'll find them as common, uncommon, rare, epic, and mythic, with mythic offering the strongest enhancements. The higher the rarity, the more significant the boost an affix provides to your gear. The overall difficulty of your world, determined by its world tier, directly impacts the quality and rarity of the affixes you'll discover during your adventures. For advanced players, there are clever ways to maximize your affix tome usage. You can combine several tomes of the same equipment type in an anvil to create a super tome with stacked bonuses. If an affix isn't quite what you hoped for, try enchanting a simple item, such as a stone sword, to potentially re-roll it. Additionally, keep an eye out for items with sockets, as these allow you to insert powerful gems for even more customization and strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.